Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand how to run random forest predictor in KNIME. Random forest is a machine learning algorithm that is used for classification and regression tasks. It is an ensemble method that combines multiple decision tree to make a more accurate and robust prediction. In a random forest, a large number of decision trees are constructed on different subsets of the dataset. Each decision tree is constructed by randomly selecting a subset of features and a subset of data points from the original dataset. During the training process, each decision tree is trained independently on its own subset of the data. Once all the trees are trained, they are combined to make a final prediction. The final prediction is made by taking the majority weight of all the individual tree predictions. Now you can see here the data set, the given data set, we are considering many decision trees for this particular data set. We may get result 1, 2, 3 or n. So we will have to select that result which is having a majority of the voting, and that will be our final result. Out of bag predictions are a concept in a machine learning algorithms, particularly in NSML methods such as random forest. In this method, the algorithm creates multiple decision trees by using a different subsets of the data for training each tree. Out of bag predictions are the predictions made by each decision tree on the data points that were not used for training that particular tree. You can see here the original set consists of A, B, C, D. In the bootstrap sample, in the first bag, we had considered patient A and patient C. So when we do the prediction for patient B and D, it is known as out of bag prediction. Similarly, in bag 2, patient A, B, C, and D all were studied. So there is nothing to be done in out of bag set. But if I talk about bag 3, patient A and D were considered. So when we do the prediction for patient B and C, it is out of bag prediction. Then we will generate the confusion matrix. What's a confusion matrix? Let's try to understand. It is basically the classification accuracy of our algorithm. A person is having a COVID and the COVID kit detected. Kit also detected it. It means that it is a success. That a person was having a COVID and the kit detected it. Similarly, a person was not normal and the kit detected, yes, that the person is also normal. So 50 plus 114 is a success for us as a classification has been done correctly. But here the person is normal and the COVID kit classifies that the person is normal or person is having a COVID. The kit detects that the person is having a COVID. Actually, the person is normal. So this is a misclassification. Here, the person is having a COVID, but the kit detects that the person is normal. So 22 plus 6 are misclassified cases. Now, how to run random forest predictor? Let's see 9. So first of all, I'll activate input output from here, CSV reader from here. I'll browse the data set. Part 1, open, OK. Right click on it and execute. Again, right click on it and see the file table. So you can see the variables which are there in this data set. We want to create an algorithm which can predict the heart disease based on age, resting blood pressure, cholesterol, and maximum hours of exercise. So we'll activate the column filter to only consider those variables which are necessary to build the model. Configure. I'll take all the variables on left hand side and only consider age, resting blood pressure, cholesterol, maximum hours of exercise, and heart disease. Okay. Right click on it and execute. Again, right click on it and see the filtered table. So all other variables are removed. Only those variables are considered on which the model will be constructed. Right. Now, activate the random forest learner. Right click on it and configure. Make sure that the heart disease is our target variable. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Now again, right click on it. Now, random forest learner does not create any equation like regression analysis or logistic regression analysis, but it creates 100 trees. You can see each tree one by one. You can go on changing here. So it has created 100 trees. Right. Now we want to do the prediction. So the learning for this predictor, random forest predictor, will come from here, and the data set will come from here. Now execute. Again, click on prediction output by right clicking on it, and you can see this is a prediction which has been done by the random forest learner, and this is your actual data set. Now we want to see how well our model fits to the data. So I'll activate scorer from here, right click on it and configure. I'll activate the hard disease here, click OK, right click on it and execute. Again, right click on it and view the confusion matrix. So you can see the classification accuracy we have achieved is 100%. 410 are such cases in which the person does not have a heart disease and the algorithm also predicts correctly. Similarly, here, a person has heart disease and the algorithm predicted correctly. So 410 plus 508, 918 cases have been classified correctly. So this is the way you can run random forest predictor in KNIME. For more videos on KNIME, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I already uploaded many videos on KNIME.